Hi, it's me, Victoriano the Second, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. Actually, first time kong gawin to, so stay with me and let's make this Dalgona coffee together. I know mabilis lang siyang gawin, so ayun, stay with me. Okay. So yung Dalgona coffee, it trended I think 3 or 4 months ago or maybe 5 months ago, and it actually started in South Korea at saka during the pandemic siya nag-trend actually. So ayun, yun. You might be wondering, bakit ngayon ko lang naisip gumawa ng video? Well, actually wala talaga akong plan gumawa ng video about Dalgona coffee kasi hindi ko alam. Wala lang, hindi naman to cooking channel, so hindi ko siya naisip actually. Though may video pala ako na how to make a spaghetti. Anyway, I decided na gumawa ng video na to kasi backstory muna, okay? So one day, I was sitting at my table and then I saw a magazine and then I got curious about the magazine, so inopen ko siya. And then I scanned some pages and then parang may nahanap akong article doon sa magazine na yun. And then I got amazed and wow! Ayun. So namangha ako kasi it talks about Dalgona coffee and then I got so excited and then Dalgona coffee. See? Dalgona coffee. So yeah. Ayun. It was just amazing. I just can't. So ayun. Oh wow. Kaya naisipan ko gumawa ng Dalgona coffee dahil nga nabasa ko sa magazine na ganito pala gumawa ng Dalgona coffee. So ayun, na-curious ako at saka naisipan ko, gumawa kaya ako ng Dalgona coffee kasi andyan naman na yung steps paano siya gawin. So, yun, gagawin ko na lang siya. So, according sa magazine na to, okay, Dalgona coffee, good coffee takes time. Yun. So, sabi dito, kailangan natin ng glass. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng glass for lalagyan natin ng coffee. So, ayun, meron ako dito. Ito na yung pinaka-artsy-artsy kong glass. So, yun. Tsaka kailangan transparent para makita natin yung ganda ng Dalgona coffee. Yan. So, lagay ko dito. Kailangan din natin ng bowl. Feeling ko ito yung bowl for mixing and stuff. Ito na lang gagamitin ko. And then, kailangan din natin ng milk. Some milk. Nakalagay milk. And then, we have this one. Milk. Sabi, fresh milk. So, fresh pa siya. So, yeah. So, ayun. We have milk. And then, sabi, kailangan din ng some ice. So, boom! Ice! Ice cubes. And then, kailangan din natin ng whisk or fork for mixing and stuff. Pero, yun. What we have here is fork. And then, 1 tablespoon of hot water. Tablespoon. Hot water. Yeah! Ready. Hot water. Ayan. At saka, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar, meron. And then, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. So, yung instant coffee na meron ako dito ay Nescafe Brown. So, ayun. So, yung sabi dito, actually parang comics siya. So, tas parang in-explain nila dito kung paano gawin yung Dalgona coffee. Let's make Dalgona coffee. Okay, it'll be fun. First, put 1 tablespoon of instant coffee in a bowl. 1 tablespoon. Then, put in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of hot water. So, ayun. So, basically, puros tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of coffee, sugar, and hot water. So, imimix natin siya. So, ayan na yung 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Lalagay na natin siya dito. Tadan! Tsaka next, 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar, hindi ba marami yun? Di ba marami yun? Parang, hello, body, fitness, what? 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, 1 tablespoon of hot water. 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of hot water. 1 tablespoon of hot water. Yup! Tchanan! Yan! Kita nyo? Kita nyo? And then, let's continue the storytelling. Is the ratio important? Yes, the amounts must all be the same. Now, use a whisk or a fork to beat it 400 times. 400 times? Totoo ba? How many times? 400. It'll turn from dark brown to light brown and become thick. Okay, let's beat this 400 times. I don't think I'm getting the right texture here. So we're having this texture na and soon we're done. Okay. After this, ang ingay ha. After this, it's ready. Now, put some ice and milk in a glass. Ice and milk in a glass. Then put the coffee on top. That's right, enjoy. And then we have our Dalgona coffee. Yay! Sobrang stress kasi fail siya, lumubog lang yung brown part. 'Di ba dapat lulutang siya pero lumubog lang siya. So, ulitin ko na lang. So, ngayon, nilipat ko na lang siya dito. May bago tayong mixture. And sana this time mag-work siya. So, I think yung reason bakit lumubog siya kasi hindi pa siya ganun ka-frothy, hindi pa siya ganun ka mixed. Hindi pa siya na beat ng masyado. So, ayun. So, dapat pala maghintay pa tayo more, okay? Stress. Oh my gosh guys, legit siya, naging light brown siya, tulad nga nung sinabi, dapat maging light brown, from dark brown to light brown. Well, sana hindi naman to lumubog na, no, kasi grabe, no joke yung pagbabate, or yung pagbeat ng nitong mixture na to. So, nakakapagod din yung right arm ko, may muscles na. Ilang araw na rin ako naggaganito ha. Laban! Kakapagod to guys. Nakakapagod sobra. Laban! Laban! Yay! Finally, nagawa na rin natin yung Dalgona Coffee natin after how many days. Effort ha. Sobrang effort at saka di naman ganun kaganda yung nagawa ko. Ito yung pinaka least appealing na Dalgona Coffee na nakita ko ever. I tried again, but since first time ko to, mapaperfect ko rin to soon. Okay. So, ayan, may Dalgona Coffee na tayo. Yeah! Siyempre, kailangan natin ipare sa cake. Honey cake. At saka hindi lang siya cake, kundi cake. So, thank you sa panonood ng video na to. And sana may natutunan kayo. Sana may natutunan kayo. Maybe natutunan nyo don'ts. Mga don'ts kung paano gumawa ng Dalgona Coffee. Anyway, thank you sa panonood ng video na to. And then, thank you sa mga sumusupport ng channel ko. And binabasa ko parati yung mga comments nyo. Thank you!